All right, ladies, my 10-minute timer just went up, so I'm going to log my tests. So it's a baseline and FSH test day because it's cycle day 5. So you can see my tests are here. I'm going to push the green button to log. I'm going to click both of these buttons because I have both tests to log. I'm checking. I did wait 10 minutes. My timer just went up, so I'm going to push that. The first one is the FSH test. So I'm going to put that in the gray box that came with the kit. Okay, and then you take an image, and then you take the image of the other one. So I take that image. Just gonna check it to make sure it looks good. There we go, baseline test complete. So FSH levels are 6.6. This is optimal, it's green. That shows my ovaries are working. I did the LH levels, it's 5.6. It's also green, this is good. LH is supposed to be low at the beginning of your cycle. PDG levels are low, again in the green zone. You want them low, I have not ovulated yet. And then E1G is also low, so these are good, amazing baseline results. And then I can log my symptoms. I have a little bit of spotting still, I'm on cycle day 5. And then do not have any pain, do not have sex, and did not take a pregnancy test. And then you can look at the results in the test gallery, test history, so I can see my FSH, E1G, LH, and PDG results. So everything looks good. And so I'm done for today. I will log in tomorrow and see if it's a testing day. So appreciate you taking this journey with me.